Guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application. Right now I will show you how to save the video on TikTok even if this save option is blocked for you. So let's check the trick. So guys, for example, you are searching on TikTok and you like this video, you want to save it to your gallery. And okay, so if you like this content, let's tap on the share option and save this video after tapping on the save key. But guys, as you can check, this option is disabled. It's blocked for other users by the creator. So guys, okay, for example, you very like this content and you want to save this video, there is a very easy trick to activate the record screen feature. And how to do it? For example, you have an iPhone, also you will have the same record screen feature on Android. You need to go to the quick settings menu. I'm sorry, it's not this is the quick settings menu, and you need to tap on the record screen feature, this K. This is the cut down moment, and let's start our TikTok playing to record it after tapping on the central K. Okay, well done guys, let's stop our recording, stop it. Of course, as you can check, our recording is too long and I want to cut it a little bit. So right now I am on my gallery and this is my newly created recording. Let's tap on it. To edit this video, let's tap on the edit mode at the top of the screen, and by dragging lines you can smoothly control the duration of our video. I will right now set a new start point for my TikTok. For example, it will start after, yes, here, and also I will correct the end point of this one. Guys, also if you want you can crop your video to make it more realistic here, and these buttons. Also, if you don't want to have this right bar, you can also cut it. This is the advertisement, but of course this is the example of the video I want to save to my gallery. So if you have a normal TikTok, you won't have any ads on your screen, so it's okay. Let's tap on the done key and save video. Okay, let's open the sound activate the sound because sound was recorded also, and let's check the result. As you can check guys, right now we have our TikTok on the gallery with no troubles. In this way you can smoothly save any content from the TikTok to your device, and I hope that this trick was useful and interesting. Don't forget about likes. Guys, follow our channel to find even more cool secrets option about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!